Lepas bersalin, betapa awal boleh buat rawatan chiropractic. Hi everyone, saya Nur Fazlina, chiropractor di My Spinal Work Family Chiropractic dengan 11 tahun experience. Okay, so soalan ni memang ramai pregnant women selalu tanya, and it's a very common question. It is a right question to ask jugalah. In my experience, there is tak nak kata time frame yang sesuai tu, there's no perfect timeline lah for betapa awal dia datang untuk rawatan chiropractic lepas bersalin. My best response to most of my patients is asalkan you selesa. The moment you feel comfortable lepas bersalin nak cuba buat rawatan chiropractic, that's the best time to come. Tapi kalau let's say cesarean section, okay, C-sec punya procedures, how soon you boleh buat rawatan chiro depends pada pemulihan badan you as well. Asalkan scar tu, luka C-section tu dah lebih kurang sembuh dan selesa, that's the best time to come in. For me, the earlier the better. Lepas bersalin, perubahan kat pinggul, alignment pinggul, pinggang semua, there's so much changes yang badan ibu akan melalui lepas bersalin. Tak kisahlah natural ataupun C-section is still the same. So that's why I say sooner the better lah. Okay, so if you have any questions ataupun tak sure kalau you boleh datang to chiropractic ke tak, especially lepas bersalin, boleh je tanya I. You can hit our comments and our DMs and all. You boleh message kita punya WhatsApp to know more. So jangan lupa to follow us, like our videos, share your comments. We are ready to help you. #1 chiropractic center di SACC Mall Shah Alam.